Wabarakatuh.
Guys,
Good
good
evening.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening.
Waalaikumsalam.
How are you today?
Fine.
Alhamdulillah, it's fine, yeah. So welcome to our class today. Anyway, how is the weather today? Oke, ada yang sunny, ada yang cloudy, ada yang raining, ya banyak ya. So everyone, I would like to say welcome back to our class today. Ya, hari ini kita akan lanjutkan materi kita. So wait a minute. Kita klik dulu nih. Ya, kemarin kita sudah membahas tentang in the canteen ya. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the other one. Jadi kalau kemarin kita membahas tentang in the canteen, hari ini kita bahas yang lain. Tapi sebelum kita bahas yang lain, teman-teman di sini Bro Reski akan kasih kesempatan. Nah, yang kemarin belum sempat speaking, please, I will give you chance here. Raise your hand, angkat tangannya, dan nyalakan kameranya. So, Bro Reski bisa. Tapi Bro Reski pilih ya. Oke. Wait. I'm going to call our friends. Let's say to, okay, L, please. Nice. Okay, L. Kemarin tentang in the canteen ya. Coba L.
Nengoknya di mana, bro?
Hah?
Nengoknya di mana?
Nengoknya, hafal nggak yang kemarin?
Enggak.
Nggak hafal? Oke.
Enggak.
Kemarin itu ada di mana? Ada di breakout, ada di Zoom chat atau di grup WhatsApp. Nah, coba dilihat. Oke, nanti di rumah dihafalin ya, biar besok teman-teman
Ya,
ketika describe bisa. Coba L, please.
Hey everyone. Good evening. My name is El. I am from Batam. In this beautiful ocean,
Oke,
I would
share.
like to tell you about my school canteen. Canteen is the place for eating at school. In the canteen, we can buy
Buy.
food and drink.
We can buy.
We can buy food and drink in my school canteen. The have for some food as ini apa ya?
Apa aja? Ayo.
Sebutin semuanya ya, bro.
Ya, yang kemarin
Oh,
yang
ada di kantin.
di kantinmu ada makanan apa aja? Sebutkan.
Milk,
Then,
juice,
okay.
milk juice.
Milk
Permen
juice.
apa, bro? Permen?
Candy.
Candy. Apa lagi ya?
Oke, segitu nggak apa-apa. Lanjut.
Table.
Hah?
Table.
Table itu di kelas. Kalau ini di kantin.
Oh, di kantin.
Gorengan apa kemarin gorengan in English?
Gorengan.
Junk food.
Junk food.
Oke, next continue selanjutnya.
Mana? And my favorite food in canteen is milk. Because
Why? Kenapa suka milk? Because
manis itu apa, bro? Manis?
Sweet.
Ya, sweet. And my favorite drink in canteen?
Tadi drink, sekarang food. Coba favorite foodnya apa kalau gitu?
Makanan.
Ya, favorite foodnya.
Candy.
Oke, boleh. Oke, it's sweet. Lanjutannya?
Because sweet.
It's sweet.
Manis. That's for me. Thanks in advance, guys.
Ya, my
Maaf kalau
pleasure.
salah, bro.
Ya, it's okay. Sambil latihan ya.
Ya, bro.
Nanti di rumah direview lagi biar tambah lancar. Next, our friends. Perempuan, let me go to. Yeah, okay, wait. Here we go to Hanifa, please. Hanifa, are you ready? Hanifa, ready or not?
Yes,
Hmm?
bro.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, please take your time. Mhm.
Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Hanifa. I'm from Jakarta. In
Mhm.
this beautiful session, I would like to tell you about my school canteen.
Mhm.
Canteen is the place for eating at school. In the
Mhm.
canteen, we can buy food and drink.
Mhm.
In my canteen, some food such
Us.
as snack, drink, food, ice cream,
Mhm.
noodle. And my favorite food in canteen is snack because delicious.
Mhm.
And my favorite drink in canteen is iced tea because delicious. That's
Oh,
all
sweet.
from me.
Sweet.
That's
Manis.
all from me. Thanks in advance,
Advance.
guys.
My pleasure. Thank you. Again, Lofaura, please. Lofaura.
Yes, coach.
Mhm.
Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Lafaura. I am from Tangerang. In this beautiful occasion, I would like to tell you about my class canteen.
Mhm.
Canteen is the
Mhm.
place
My
for
canteen.
eating at school. In the canteen, we can buy food and drink. In my school canteen, there are some food
Such as.
such as
Mhm.
ice cream, candy, corn dog, spaghetti, and my favorite food in canteen is corn dog because I like it. And my favorite drink in canteen is juice orange because I like
Orange
it.
juice. Mhm.
That's all from me. Thanks in advance, guys.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Okay. Next, our friends. Still have a time, yeah. Let me go to who is this? Let's say to okay, not this part. Wait a minute. Okay, siapa ini? Edra? Edra?
Yes.
Okay, please take your time.
Hi everyone. Good evening. My name is Edra. I am from Banyuwangi. In this beautiful occasion, I would like to tell you about my school canteen. Canteen is the place for eating at school. In the canteen, we can buy food and drink. In my school canteen, there are some food such as noodles, candy,
Mhm.
uh, meatball, iced tea,
Okay.
snack.
Mhm.
And my favorite food in canteen is noodles because I like it. And my favorite drink is in canteen is milk because it's sweet.
Mhm.
All from me. Thanks in advance, guys.
Okay, my pleasure. Thank you so much. Yeah. So again, let's say
Kepencet, 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 kepencet.
okay. let's say last time after girl, let's go to boys. I'm going to call our friends. Yang laki-laki mana nih yang laki-laki? Okay, Zio, please.
Aku.
Yeah, Zio, please. Ready?
Everyone, good evening. My name is Zio. I'm from Makassar. In this
Okay,
beautiful
beautiful.
occasion, I would like to tell you about my school canteen. Canteen is the place for eating at school. In the canteen, we can buy food and
Good.
drink. In my in my school canteen, there are some
Are
foods. There are
such as
some foods such as chicken, and my favorite food in the canteen is chicken noodle because yummy.
Mhm.
And my favorite thing in canteen is tea. And my
Why?
favorite
Why do you like tea? Because
because
it's
mm,
why do you like
oh
tea? It's apa manis, sweet.
yeah, sweet.
It's sweet.
That's all for me. Thanks advances there, guys.
Thanks in advance.
Thanks in advance.
Oke, thank you so much, Zio. Nah, teman-teman, thank you. Nah, sekarang kita ke latihan speaking hari ini ya. Oke, yang materi hari ini. Nanti yang sisanya yang belum ke ini kita latihan speaking lagi ya. Don't worry. Yuk, so diingat-ingat kemarin kita sudah mempelajari tentang in the school, in the class, in the canteen. 3 vocabnya jangan dilupakan. Nah, sekarang tambahannya adalah in the library, di perpustakaan. Apa aja sih di perpustakaan kosakatanya? Here we go. The first, ada namanya librarian. Librarian. Librarian itu artinya apa, bro? Librarian itu artinya adalah penjaga perpustakaan atau pustakawan. Bukan penjaga juga sebenarnya. Tapi dia yang ahli dalam pustakawan, yang mengelola buku data di perpustakaan itu namanya librarian. Bookshelf, rak buku. Reader, pembaca. Library itu library card, kartu perpustakaan. Biasanya kita kalau ke perpustakaan dikasih kartu buat berlangganan. Next, di sini ada dictionary dan sebagainya. Kita buka sini ya. You can see from this part, everyone. Ini deh kita. Gini dulu. Pertama, ada librarian, pustakawan. Reader, pembaca. Orang yang membaca namanya reader. Bookshelf, rak buku. Dictionary, library card, kartu perpustakaan. Ada dictionary, kamus. Dictionary, kamus. Novel, buku novel. Komik, itu komik. Storybook, buku cerita. Storybook, buku cerita. So ada dictionary, novel, komik, storybook, librarian, ya librarian, reader, bookshelf, and library card. Oke? Okay? Yo, please, I give you time. Dihafalkan dulu sebentar. I give you 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Oke, nanti kita tambahkan lagi kosakatanya, please. Oke. Nah, silakan dihafalkan dulu sebentar ya. Wait a minute. reader, bookshelf, library card, librarian, dictionary, novel, comic, storybook. Hiran sudah hafal, Hiran?
Hafal, bro.
Hafal, oke. Good. Kimaura sudah?
Yes.
Sudah? Sudah hafal?
Udah.
Oke, good. Kita tambahin ya. Kalau gitu, here we go. Agak sedikit banyak nih tambahannya. Overroot. Overroot artinya terlambat mengembalikan buku. Contohnya, I am overroot. Nah, saya terlambat mengembalikan buku. Author, penulis. Fiction book, buku fiksi. Buku fiksi itu adalah buku yang tidak berdasarkan kisah nyata. Contoh buku fiksi itu buku-buku tentang Superman misalnya, atau tentang apa namanya, em, apa maling kundang. Nah, itu namanya buku fiksi. Oke. Reference room, ruang referensi. Borrow, meminjam. Lend, oke, meminjamkan. Kalau borrow itu meminjam. Oke, kita minjam sesuatu kepada orang lain. Tapi kalau lend, meminjamkan. Kita meminjamkan sesuatu kepada orang lain. Ya. Newspaper, koran. Magazine, majalah. Magazine, majalah. Return, mengembalikan. Return, mengembalikan. Ada overroot, kemudian ada author, ada fiction book, reference room, ruang referensi, borrow, lend, newspaper, magazine, and return. Yo, I give you time please. 4 atau 5 minutes buat nulis atau sambil menghafalkan dikit-dikit. Reference room. Two minutes, 3 minutes left. Overwrote, author, fiction book. Have you done, guys?
Ya. Belum.
Right, list. Apa namanya, sambil dihafalkan pelan-pelan, ditulis sambil dihafalkan ya, biar nanti kalau nggak selesai bisa dikerjakan di rumah. Done, alright. Ada librarian, reader, bookshelf, library card, overread, author, fiction, book, reference, borrow, lend, newspaper, magazine, return, dictionary, novel, comic, and storybook. Minimal teman-teman hafal 5 aja. Gak apa-apa ya, minimal 5 hafal. Biar nanti ketika di speaking count teman-teman bisa. Kayak gitu ya. Nah, sekarang kita lanjutkan ke slide berikutnya. Oke. So, here we go. Contoh membaca itu read. Contoh, I read storybook, I read novel, I read comics. Kalau borrow meminjam, misal, I borrow a book, I borrow storybook. Kalau bahasa Inggrisnya, aku meminjam kamus apa?
I borrow. Bro, saya mau bertanya, bro. El mau bertanya, bro. El mau nanya, bro. El mau nanya, boleh?
I borrow dictionary. El mau nanya apa, El?
Apa ya? Di tempat Bro Reski tadi masih sore atau siang?
Oh,
Sore
oke.
atau malam?
It's night, evening. Sekarang malam.
Oh,
Evening.
itu aja lah, bro.
Alright. Ah, kalau bahasa Inggrisnya mengembalikan kan return. Aku mengembalikan em, aku mengembalikan majalah apa?
I return magazine.
Good. Return magazine. Kalau siapa yang menjaga perpustakaan?
Librarian.
Librarian.
Librarian. Oke, librarian. Siapa tadi yang mau bertanya? Raise your hand, angkat tangannya. Tadi siapa? Hani. What do you want to ask, Hani?
Gimana bro cara bikin videonya? Aku belum bikin.
Oh, udah lewat kemarin. Nanti ada lagi ya, don't worry. Oke. Ya, sekarang kita gunakan for speaking. Contoh gini nih, antara Mary sama Tom, Jerry and Tom. Jerry, I am looking for storybook, Tom. Tom, aku lagi cari buku cerita nih. What is the title? Apa judulnya? The title is Malin Kundang. Judulnya Malin Kundang. Well, you may ask librarian to help you in finding that book. Kamu bisa minta bantu librarian untuk mencari buku yang ingin kamu cari. I think so. Oke. Nah, oke. Nah, ini ada apa? Ada video tentang apa namanya? Tentang librarian. Apa namanya? Kita tonton bersama dulu ya. Let's go.
I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. The library.
It is bedtime.
Good night, Peppa. Good night, George.
Can I have a story, please?
OK, I'll read you the Red Monkey book.
But we always have that one. The red monkey has a bath, cleans his teeth, and goes to sleep.
Yes, that is what happens.
Can we choose another story? The blue tiger, the green spider, the orange penguin. Oh, what's this one?
The Wonderful World of Concrete.
I've been looking for that.
Is it your book, Daddy?
It's a book I borrowed from the library.
What's a library?
It's a place you borrow books from, and when you've finished reading them, you take them back.
But Daddy Pig has forgotten to take this book back.
Guys,
I'm Peppa Pig. Daddy reads this story.
It's not much of a story, Peppa.
Please read it, Daddy.
Okay. The Wonderful World of Concrete. Concrete is a construction material composed of sand, water, and chemical admixtures. Chapter 1. Sand.
Peppa, George and Mummy Pig have fallen asleep. It is morning. Peppa and her family have come to the library.
Wow! What a lot of books!
Shh, Peppa, you must be quiet in the library.
Why?
Because people come here to read and to be quiet.
Next, please.
Miss Rabbit is the librarian.
Hello, Mummy Pig. Are you returning these books?
Yes, Miss Rabbit.
Right you are.
Why is the computer beeping?
It's checking to see that you haven't been naughty and borrowed the book for too long.
I may have borrowed this book for a bit too long.
Don't worry, Daddy Pig. It can't be that bad. Gosh! Daddy Pig, you've had this book out for 10 years.
Naughty Dad.
Daddy Pig, you've had this book out for 10 years.
Naughty Daddy.
Sorry, Miss Rabbit.
That's all right. Now you can borrow another book.
Miss Rabbit, can George and I borrow a book, please?
Yes, the children's section is over here.
Oh, look! Berries, flowers, pretty dresses. Hello, Peppa. Oh, hello, Danny. I'm borrowing a book about football. Hello, Peppa. Hello, Susie. I've got a book about nurses.
George has chosen a book about dinosaurs.
Dinosaur.
Look what I found. Further adventures in the world of concrete.
Here's a red monkey book.
Not the red monkey book. It's boring.
But this is a different story. It might be more fun.
I bet it's not.
Once upon a time, there was a red monkey.
He had a bath, cleaned his teeth, and went to bed.
No, he jumped in a space rocket and went to the moon.
Ooh.
He had a picnic with a dinosaur,
Ooh.
swam under the sea, and climbed the highest mountain. That was a busy day. The end.
Wow! Read it again.
We can borrow it and read it at home, Peppa.
But I was going to choose this book or this one.
You can take 3 books home if you want, Peppa.
Yippee!
But you must remember to bring them back on time.
Yes, Miss Rabbit.
And you must remember to bring your book back too, Daddy Pig.
I'll make sure Daddy remembers.
Yes, Peppa, I'm sure you will. Hoo hoo!
Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Now, let's go. I have a question. Tadi pas habis baca nonton video, ayahnya Peppa minjem buku nggak dikembalikan selama berapa tahun?
10 tahun.
10
Ya, 10 tahun. Minjem buku 10 tahun. Nggak boleh kayak gitu ya. Oke. Bisa kena denda nanti. Oke, let's go. Sekarang for speaking. Coba diperhatikan dulu. Hi everyone, good afternoon. Kalau sekarang berarti evening ya. Kita ganti pakai evening. Good evening. My name is, nama teman-teman siapa nih? Oke, my name is bla bla bla. I am from bla bla bla. In this beautiful occasion, dalam kesempatan yang baik ini, I would like to tell you about my school library. Aku akan menceritakan kepadamu tentang perpustakaan sekolahanku. Library is the place for reading book. In the library, library is the place for reading book. Library adalah tempat untuk membaca buku. In the library, we can find, kita bisa menemukan apa aja. Sebutkan kosakata yang ada di perpustakaan. Misal, dictionary, storybook, magazine, comic, dictionary, reference book, dan sebagainya. Fiction book, itu bisa. I love reading. And my favorite book is buku kesukaan teman-teman itu apa? Misalnya, my favorite book is a story book about Malin Kundang. I like it because saya suka karena apa? Because the story is very good and we can get moral message from the story. Ceritanya sangat bagus dan kita bisa mendapatkan pesan moral dari buku cerita itu. That's all from me. Thanks in advance, guys. Cukup sekian dari saya. Terima kasih, teman-teman. Dibaca gini ya. Nah, sebentar. Berarti ganti dulu good afternoon-nya jadi evening. Biar teman-teman bisa persiapan for speaking. Sebentar ya. Good evening. Nih, berarti taruh di Zoom chat ya. Ya, oke. Sekarang it's time to practice. Apa nih yang sudah ready buat speaking? Oke. Sambil latihan, persiapan, Rizky panggil ya beberapa di antara teman-teman. I would like to call our friends with the name is okay, this one. Sorry. Oh ya, nanti ada breakout room ya. Hmm. Coba Nabila, please. Nabila, are you ready, Nabila?
Yes.
Okay, let's try Nabila, please.
Yeah, everyone. Good afternoon. Good
Evening.
evening. My name is Nabila. I
Hmm.
am from Pariaman.
Hmm.
In this beautiful occasion, I would
To
to tell you about my school library.
Mhm.
Library is the place for reading book. In the library, we can
We can find
mm,
some
storybook,
hmm,
comic,
okay.
novel,
And then apalagi reader, penjaga perpustakaan, librarian.
librarian.
Terus apa lagi? Udah cukup ya. Next. I love
Reading. And my favorite book is
What's your favorite book?
White.
Buku kesukaanmu apa? Okay. What is that?
White.
Apa? Storybook, buku cerita atau komik?
Storybook.
Why? Kenapa suka storybook? Because it's fun, menyenangkan. Apa?
Because it's fun. That's all from me. Thanks in advance, guys.
Yeah, my pleasure. Okay, please, Alvaro, now.
Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Alvaro. I am from It's Kalimantan. In this beautiful occasion, I would like to tell you about my school library. Library is the place for reading book. In library, we can find librarian, bookshelf, and comic.
Okay.
I love reading, and my favorite book is Reptile books. I like it because it's fun. That's all
Okay.
from me. Thanks in advance, guys.
My pleasure. Thank you so much. Okay, next. Okay. Yeah, hello, what's your name? Hello? What's your name? What is your name?
I am from Jakarta.
What's your name? What's your name? Namanya siapa?
Hiskia.
Hah? Siapa namanya?
Hiskia.
Hizkia.
Iya.
Oke, coba diganti dulu namanya, coba. Diganti dulu namanya. Biar berarti kalau manggilnya enak. Nanti kalau pakai nama bukan namanya sendiri, kebingungan ketika dipanggil nanti nggak tahu. Coba diganti dulu namanya.
Ya bro, tunggu bro.
Please. Dan dan
Hey
Hizkia.
everyone,
Oke.
good
Go
evening.
please.
My name is Hizkia. I am from Jakarta. In this beautiful occasion, I would like to tell you about my school library. Library is a place for reading books. In the library, we can find books, magazines, and newspaper, microfilm, reference materials. I love reading, and my favorite book is
What's that? Your favorite book?
Technology.
Okay.
It
Next.
because fun.
Mm-mm.
That's all from me. Thanks and thanks, guys.
My pleasure. Thank you so much. Nah, teman-teman, coba Bu Reski bagi lagi teman-teman jadi beberapa grup kayak kemarin, ya. Coba latihan speaking tentang library, oke? Ingat satu grup isi 4 orang atau 5 orang bergantian. Enggak, nanti masuk grup langsung siapa dulu guys yang mau mulai nih? Siapa dulu yang mau mencoba pertama? Nanti gantian, oke? Kalau udah selesai, baru boleh kembali ke main room lagi, ya. Waktunya 10 menitan. Oke? Let's go. Kita bagi teman-teman jadi beberapa grup. I give you time now. Wait. Let's go, please. Oke, ada yang 3, ada yang 4 ya. Nah, coba diklik. Caranya bisa lihat di Zoom chat ya. Di Zoom chat, please. Atau di WhatsApp group juga boleh sebenarnya ada. Wait. Yo, diklik please. Atia, are you ready, Atia?
Yeah, ready.
Okay, please, Atia.
Tapi ini nggak ada kayak itunya gitu.
Ada
Soalnya
enggak? Sekarang muncul enggak?
belum.
Belum. Coba lihat dulu sebentar. Sudah muncul? Sudah ada?
Belum juga.
Yang lain bisa diklik breakout room-nya. Ya, yang di layar bisa ada nggak, Atia?
Iya.
Kelihatan nggak yang di layar? Ada? Atia?
Enggak.
Nggak ada? Oke. Elina, halo Elina. Elina bisa lihat layar? Elina, no voice. Ratu bisa lihat layar, Ratu? Halo Ratu. No voice ya. Oke. Sebentar ya teman-teman ya. Ya, coba teman-teman ajak temannya buat speaking ya. Please bergantian. Sorry. Kolom 1, Elina. Atia sudah kelihatan belum layarnya?
Ya, kelihatan tapi tanda untuk masuk ke grup yang lain tuh nggak ada.
Nggak ada. Ya udah, Elina di berikut rumah di sini aja sama Bro Skill latihannya. Coba speaking yuk. Yuk, langsung hi everyone gitu.
Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Atia. I am from Jambi. In this beautiful occasion, I would like to tell you about my school. Library. Library is the place for reading book. In the library, we can find reader, newspaper, magazine, and bookshelf.
Oke, bookshelf. Terus?
I love reading and my favorite book is
Apa your favorite book? What's your favorite book?
bahasa Inggrisnya komik apa bro?
Komik sudah komik pakai bahasa Inggris saja. Komik gitu.
Komik. I like it because
Yes.
fun.
It's fun.
That's all from me. Thanks in advance, guys.
My pleasure. Yo, Desa, please. Desa. I think she is not ready. Nggak ada orangnya. Yang lain? Oke, Abel. Oke, Abel, where is Abel? Abel ya. Oke. Abelia. Hello, Abelia. Are you ready, Abelia? Coba diklik audionya, Abelia. No voice. Oke. Sarah sudah speaking, Sarah?
Sudah.
Oke, good. Hiran sudah speaking belum, Hiran?
Ya, bro.
Sudah. Oke. Safwa sudah speaking tadi?
Sudah.
Sudah.
Tadi kok aku join yang nomor 12 lagi ya, bro?
Nggak apa-apa di sini, nggak apa-apa di sini aja, nggak apa-apa. Kalau udah selesai nggak apa-apa. Oke, berarti kirim kuisis ya, dikerjakan di WhatsApp grup, oke? Kuisisnya tentang materi yang kemarin. Kemarin kan kita belum sempat kuisis yang tentang in the canteen. Nah, jadi Safua dan teman-teman kerjakan kuisisnya yang ada di WhatsApp grup in the canteen, ya. Sambil kita panggil teman kita buat kembali ke sini. 2 menit lagi kita panggil ya teman kita ya. Kita call our friends to come back. Come back to main room, ya. Okay. We wait others. Oke, semuanya sudah kembali ya. Nah, teman-teman, mungkin waktunya kurang panjang ya di breakout room-nya ya. Next, bakalan kita panjangin lagi. Nah, ini Bro Reski mau kasih pengumuman nih. Pertama adalah di breakout room itu nanti teman-teman bergantian speakingnya, biar semuanya kebagian ya. Dan kemudian di WhatsApp group itu ada quizzes tentang in the canteen yang kemarin. Materi kemarin coba dihafalkan. Yang materi hari ini vocabularies-nya nanti kirim ke WhatsApp group dan teman-teman untuk vocabnya dihafalkan karena besok hari Jumat teman-teman akan mendeskripsikan mulai dari in the school, in the class, in the canteen, kemudian terakhir in the library. Boleh pilih dua, mau yang library sama kantin boleh. School sama kelas juga boleh. Pokoknya pilih dua ya. Dan vocabnya jangan lupa dihafalkan. Oke? So, do you understand everyone?
Yes, bro. Yes,
Okay, good. Difahami ya, biar teman-teman besok ketika speaking mudah. Well, thank you for today. See you again tomorrow. Jangan lupa quizesnya. Last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye.